Hello, welcome to Social Studies Facility Index 2 class. This video is on the just concluded mock facility index. We're going to be looking at some topics. First, let's look at the headquarters of UNESCO, where it's located. The headquarters of UNESCO is located in Paris, in France. Okay. UNESCO means United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization. Now, the current head of Commonwealth Organization is the British monarch. Before the death of Queen Elizabeth II, she was the head of the Commonwealth of Nations. We have 56 independent and equal nations who make up that organization. Now, there are states and capitals in Nigeria, okay? So, we want to see some capital cities because often in the exams, you're asked to identify among the options given which is a capital city. Now, states and the capitals in Nigeria, you can see before you there are states there. We have Bayelsa, the capital city is Yenagoa. Benue, Makurdi, Borno, Maiduguri, Cross River, Calabar, Delta, Asaba, Ebonyi. The state capital is Abakaliki. Then you have Ondo, Akure, Osun, Osobo, Oyo, Ibadan, Plateau, Jos, Rivers, Port Harcourt, Sokoto. The state capital is Sokoto. Taraba is Jalingo, Yobe, Damaturu. Then we have Zamfara is Gozo. We have Federal Capital Territory, that's FCT, Abuja. Now, South Africa is one of the countries of the world hated for its apartheid policies. Okay, these policies is discrimination between where the whites segregate themselves from the black people. So you can see the image caption before you, non-white shop. Now, another aspect we want to look at is on transportation. The image before you is a raft. The raft is the simplest form of water transportation. So, in whatever circumstance or whatever situation such questions come up, the simplest form of transportation is the raft. Moving on, we want to look at UBE. Universal Basic Education UBE was flagged off in Nigeria in September 30th, 1999 in Sokoto by President Olusegun Obasanjo. Okay, so when you come across such questions, you know what to give as answer. Then you have UNICEF. All these are more like international organizations. Past question. UNICEF is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Its headquarters is in New York. Now, member states of Commonwealth of Nations, we've discussed states before that the head of the Commonwealth of Nations is the British monarch. Okay. So, member states of Commonwealth of Nations, these states are independent states, like we said earlier. They are 56 in number and they come for the economic well being and interests of member countries. Now, in a civilian role, the highest lawmaking body is the Senate. You know, we have three arms of government: legislative, executive, and the judiciary. So, it's the legislative that have the Senate as the highest law making body because the legislature they make the laws. The image before you is that of ECOWAS. ECOWAS means the Economic Community of West African States. Its headquarters is in Ethiopia, Addis Ababa. ECOWAS is made up of countries that are in the western region of Africa. Now they have 15 member states. 15 member states makes up ECOWAS. Nigeria is one of the members of ECOWAS. You have Benin, Burkina Faso. You have Cape Verde. You have Cote d'Ivoire, the Gambian, Ghana. Now, United Nations Security Council, we have five permanent members: China, France, Russia, United Kingdom, and then the United States. Then you have 10 non-permanent members selected for 2-year terms by the General Assembly. The General Assembly is made up of members of heads of states. Thank you for watching this video. I wish you success in your mock 3 exams. Best of luck.